The title of today's Brandon's blog is When Family Disputes Put Wills and Executors at Odds, our complete guide on your rights when things go wrong. The impetus for this week's Brandon's blog was a recent decision out of the Ontario court, Spellman versus Spellman, which is a case about an executor under a will who did not fulfill his obligations and caused harm to his sister, the other beneficiary. From doing our work as an independent court-appointed estate trustee, this situation, unfortunately, is not unique. Our work as an independent estate trustee is normally when either somebody dies intestate, there is no will, and therefore there's no named executor, or the named executors recuse themselves, or there are terrible conflicts among the named executors, and an independent court officer is necessary in order to administer the estate, sell the assets, and distribute the money properly to the beneficiaries. So as a result of this court case and court decision and our experience as an independent estate trustee, Brandon has put together this guide on wills and executors. It is meant for anyone who is thinking of writing or rewriting their will, or anyone who is named as an executor and doesn't know exactly what steps they must follow, or families that are currently involved in disputes over an estate and need to find a solution. My name is Ira Smith, president of Ira Smith Trustee and Receiver, Inc. If you find yourself in one of these situations, we would love to speak with you. Shoot us a message, give us a phone call. I hope you enjoy the rest of this video and find the information informative.
Losing a loved one is already difficult enough. But what happens when the person named in the will to manage everything, the executor, isn't doing their job properly? I'm Fiona Ledger from Smith Estate Trustee, Ontario, and today I'm discussing what you can do when family disputes put wills and executors at odds. In Ontario, executors have significant responsibilities. They must locate the will, apply for probate, notify beneficiaries, create an inventory of assets, manage estate funds properly, file tax returns, and distribute assets according to the will's instructions. Unfortunately, not all executors fulfill these duties. Some misuse estate assets, fail to communicate with beneficiaries, or even ignore court orders, as we saw in the recent Spellman case, where an executor essentially took estate funds for personal use. Watch for these red flags with executors. Lack of transparency about estate affairs. Unexplained delays in estate settlement. Refusing to provide financial information. Suspicious transactions. Using estate funds for personal expenses. Showing favoritism among beneficiaries. If you're facing these issues, Ontario law provides options. You can seek the removal of problematic executors through court action when they breach their fiduciary duties, have conflicts of interest, or mismanage the estate. If you're concerned about an executor's conduct, document everything. Request information in writing. Consider mediation before litigation. Consult with an estate lawyer who specializes in executor disputes. Gather evidence of any misconduct. Remember, the goal is proper administration of your loved one's estate, not winning family battles. Sometimes, the best solution is appointing a professional, independent executor. At Smith Estate Trustee, Ontario, we offer court-appointed estate trustee services that provide professional expertise in estate administration, impartial handling of assets, transparent communication with all beneficiaries, strict adherence to legal requirements, peace of mind during difficult times, Family disputes over wills and executors add stress to an already painful time. Understanding your rights and options is the first step toward resolution. Whether you need advice on executor conduct or professional trustee services, we're here to help ensure your loved one's wishes are honored properly. Contact Smith Estate Trustee Ontario today to learn how we can assist with your estate trustee needs.